So here you can see I've got the theme 2012 activated, and each different theme will have different things that you can customize about them. So some will be really complex, and they'll let you customize everything down to the minutest, like what color a font is, what style it is, what color borders are. Or some will be much simpler, and they'll only let you customize a few things. It really depends on the theme you pick. So we can have a look and see what this 2012 theme lets us do. So if we go to Customise, and then we've got Site and Tagline. So I've already set mine, and that was from when we first installed WordPress, but tagline, I really don't want it to say just another WordPress site. So I'm going to say in there, tutorials to help you create a website. You can obviously go back and change this later, but I'm just going to put that in for now. And you could actually, if you wanted to delve into this a little bit deeper, you could try and find out what people are actually looking for to find your product or service that you're offering. I will show you a little bit about that later, but for now we're just going to put in something fairly descriptive. So these tutorials help you create a website, and then we choose whether or not we want to display the header text. So if we were going to replace this up here with a logo or a banner or something like that, we probably wouldn't want to show it, so we'd take it off like that, and you can see how it's updating. But for now we're gonna show that text. Now colours, let's see what colours it lets us do. It lets us change that header text colour. So for example, if I picked red, let's just pick a red there. There we go, it's changing the text there. And background colour, let's just try changing that as well. So you can see how that's changing the outside colour just there. I'm going to put this back to black for now. So background image, we could also upload an image that would get put in here. It would either it would probably get repeated in here. And obviously you just do that by selecting a file. We're not going to do that either for now. And this is, we only need to look at this if we're actually going to create a blog, and we're not going to do that for now. We're going to do that later, because you might not even want a blog on your website. So we're just going to go save and publish. Let's just close that. Let's see what else we can do with that. We've got this header here, so let's have a look at header. Now you can see here what this is going to let us do is create a banner. So instead of having that text on the top, we could have an image running all the way across. So we're going to have a look at creating that later, but obviously that option is not going to be available for every theme. So we're going to do that in a later video. So we'll leave that for now. Let's just go back and look what else we can do. Menus. Okay, so at the moment we haven't got many pages created, but what we do is we're going to call the menu. This is like, you know, at the top we've got that navigation bar where it says about at the moment, and it also says sample page. We're going to call that a menu name, so we're going to call that main menu. You can call that whatever you like really. We're going to hit create menu there. Now we're going to decide, in this theme, different themes will allow you to create more than one menu. There might be a space down the side in the sidebar for a menu and a space in the top. This one we're just going to choose our primary menu is going to be this menu we've just created. So we hit save there. And then we need to decide what pages we want in that menu. So I could just click on here. So I click the pages I want. Obviously you could have a lot more pages in here, and go add to menu. So let's just save that, and let's go have a look what we've got now. Okay, so now all we've got in that menu there is about. Now let's go back. This time, excuse me, we're also going to add the sample page, and we're going to save that menu again, and let's go have a look at that. Okay, so we've got about, and then we've got the sample page. But what if I want these two in a different order? That's easy as well. We just go back and we drag these the other way around, hit save, and there we go, sample page, then about.